Well, basically, a U visa is a type of lawful status for people who have been victims of qualifying crimes in the United States. So a person who would qualify for a U visa is someone who has been a victim of such a crime and, most importantly, have assisted law enforcement in the investigation of that crime. Both of those are required for someone to be eligible for a U visa. There are a lot of differences between a U visa and asylum. The biggest difference, though, is about where you received the harm. Applying for asylum means that you suffered some kind of persecution or you're afraid of persecution in your home country. Applying for a U visa, however, is if you have been a victim of a crime in the United States. The types of crimes, the types of harms that you've experienced are different for each of them, but the main difference is where the harm occurred. The biggest type of category that is not on the list of qualifying crimes are theft-related crimes. So in most cases, for example, we are able to get a U visa for people who have been victims of theft because they've also been a victim of assault, and so we put it into the category of assault. But for someone who is a victim of theft without that extra assault, it's very much harder to get a U visa. A grant of a U visa lasts 3 years, and it can be extended once under the regulations. But the good thing about it is that after a certain amount of time, I believe it's 2 years, then you can apply for your residency. So although a grant of U visa is temporary, once you have been in lawful U visa status and you have not done anything to lose your status, you may apply for residency and remain in the United States permanently.